We're at Wendy's, just so you know. See? Wendy's.
I'm running out of time. Shit.
Be like, hello.
Hello?
Can I take it over, please?
Can I have a number 4 with a Diet Coke? And a spicy chicken, just a sandwich, and my headset, please?
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
Let me slow it down for you.
I'm gonna have a spicy chicken sandwich, just a sandwich. And I would like a number 8, please, with a Diet Coke, and I want my headset back, please.
So you say you want a number 5 with Sprite?
No, sir, I want a number 6 spicy chicken and a number 8 with a Diet Coke. And my headset.
That's not to you, go.
Okay, you don't have to come to the window.